So hey guys, my name is William, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to avoid being scammed by unscrupulous individuals out there trying to claim and hijack your Google My Business or Google Business Profile listing. Yes, this happens a lot. It happens more often than you think with unscrupulous individual hijacking GMBs. In today's video, that's what we're going to be covering.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit subscribe, turn on that bell notification, because I promise you're not going to want to miss anything that we drop here. We drop lots of golden nuggets. If you're new, my name is William Jones. I have 20 years of SEO experience. Not only do I do SEO, I've ran my own business and run an agency where we deal with hundreds and hundreds of clients, and we've helped thousands get their results they not only need, but they also deserve, and dominate that 3-pack, which is what everybody wants. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So, if you go over to Google, we sit here and we look for a term, and normally if you come over to Google, you'll go through one of these. Let's just grab this one. If I clicked on it, you'll wind up be taken to, this is their actual website or whatever, but if we wanted to, we click on, if you will, the listing itself, and it will then take us over to more information about their listing, right? If we click on their listing, we see, for example, right here, where it says this, which is what we're going after, is suggest and edit or own this business, right? What these unscrupulous individuals are doing, they go in here and they go, I own this business. And then they try to claim it. Well, this business, luckily for them, has already been claimed. They came in and they claimed their business. What I'm going to tell you to do is, if you have not claimed your business, you better damn well make sure you do before one of these unscrupulous individuals come in here and try to do it. And here's one way in which there's many tools to do it, but one of which that they use to do it is called Phantom Buster. Phantom Buster has this lovely little Google Maps exporter search tool. I simply click on it. If you don't have Phantom Buster, you can get it. It's pretty damn cheap, right? You can set it up, go in here and do all the edits, etc. I can edit the setup, and in this particular case, we're going to go for home remodeling Tallahassee. I hit save, and I hit save again, and then I simply hit launch. It's going to launch, and it's going to put out this little handy dandy little report. And I'm going to show you what it spits out. So this is what it entails spits out. And then it tells me over here in this column, is it claimed or not? These individuals then go here and go, oh, okay, this person hasn't claimed their listing, right? And then we come back over here and we look at this listing. And this is what they're doing. They go over here and they hit claim this business. And what do you know, it pops up, it's not claimed. And they go in here and they hit manage now. And there are times where it will instantly verify them and they are allowed to claim it. And then there are other times where it says, hey, they need a code. So here's what they'll do. They'll sit here and click manage now, and they'll say they need a code. Do you want to sit by phone verification or by postcard? Okay, when it's sent by phone verification, what they'll do, they'll literally call the business up, or even better yet, a lot of times have this sexy young female voice call them up and say, hey, is this the owner of Kitchen Counters? Hey, this is Susie, or whatever, and I am here to help you claim your Google My Business listing. And to do so, I just need this little sweet code. And guess what? They give them the code, and then guess now who owns the business? Who owns a Google business listing is the person that they just gave the code to. Regardless of if you're the owner or not, they own the listing. Almost the only way you're ever going to be able to get that listing back is through the court of law. And then you're going to have to prove a lot of things just to trouble yourself and get back to it and get it. Okay? That's one way they're doing it. And that's if they even need the code. Sometimes they don't need the code, and now they've done what we call hijacked your GMB listing, and they're now the owner and they can hold you captive and pretty much get whatever they want. There are lots of individuals out there doing this, and then they turn around and say, hey, I can help you with your SEO. You just got to pay me $500, $700. And the next thing you know, I can help you claim this business. When reality is, if you didn't own it, all you had to do is go inside it, claim it yourself. So wanted to show this today to show what some people are doing that is unscrupulous and ways that you can claim it yourself. Because all you got to do is go into that little chat right here. It's not claim, hit manage now, claim it, you own it, and it's yours. All right, so hopefully this will help you today. I hope this did help you guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to comment below, drop your questions, and I'll get that right over to you and help you in any way I can. Once again, this is William. Glad to have you here. Be blessed. Have a great day.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. I was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most SEO opponents. You think you're an SEO god, but you're an SEO fraud. Guess I'm the SEO devil, shout fuck the SEO guys.